Hey there, DIY enthusiasts and roofing pros. Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and recommendations. Today, we've got a game changer for all your roofing needs. I'm excited to introduce you to the best roofing shingles tool on the market. This incredible tool is called the Roofing Shingles Shingle Removal Tool by POCORO. It's packed with features that make it a must-have for anyone working on roof shingle replacement or repairs. So, let's dive right in. First off, let's talk about durability. This shingle removal tool is made from tough, anti-rust steel, ensuring it stands up to the test of time. The 2-in-1 design is not only efficient but also safe for quickly installing or pulling nails on your roof shingles. Now, what sets this tool apart is the unique nail slot design. It allows you to inlay the nail and work in narrow spaces smoothly. No more damaging the shingles with your hammer. This design lets you drive roofing nails perpendicular to the roof, ensuring longer-lasting repairs. But wait, there's more. The claw tip on the shingle nail installer makes it a breeze to pull out nails from roofing shingles. Simply drive the claw tip under the nail and twist. It takes less effort and saves you both time and money. The best part? This tool is incredibly easy to use and handy. With dimensions of just 1.1 inches in width and 11 inches in length, it's a perfect fit for roofers of all levels. It makes your work more accurate, efficient, and, most importantly, safer. This roof shingles removal tool is a must-have for all roofers out there. Whether you're removing or repairing old or worn-out shingles, or replacing them with new ones, this tool is your trusted companion. Don't just take my word for it. Let's check out what other users are saying about this fantastic tool. Customers have rated it with an impressive 4.5 stars out of 5, praising its sturdiness, value for money, and ease of use. It's truly Amazon's choice in shingle removers, with over 100 purchases in the past month. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best roofing shingles tool that offers durability, ease of use, and incredible value for money, the Roofing Shingles Shingle Removal Tool by POCORO is your answer. It's a game changer for roofers, DIY enthusiasts, and anyone in need of shingle repairs. That's it for today's product critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more product reviews, and click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for tuning in, and happy roofing! For more information and links to purchase this fantastic tool, check out the description below. And if you have any questions or want us to review a specific product, leave a comment, and we'll get back to you. Until next time, this is Product Critique, signing off.